Over the past billions of years, Earth has been bombarded by asteroids, collided with other planets, frozen over multiple times, and been inhabited by various unusual life forms. It's surprising that our planet has made it through all these challenges. To understand Earth's history, we need to go back to the very beginning, about 4.5 billion years ago, when our solar system began forming from a dense cloud of gas and dust. This cloud collapsed into a spinning disk that grew hotter, eventually leading to the fusion of hydrogen into helium, giving birth to the Sun. As the Sun formed, Earth was also coming together, with chunks of material from the outer regions of the disk clumping to form planets and moons. The cooler areas formed icy planets, while the rocky material closer to the Sun created the inner planets, including Earth. In its early days, Earth was highly volcanic, releasing gases like hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide, which made up the first atmosphere. Earth was constantly hit by asteroids and comets, but the most significant event was a collision with Theia, a Mars-sized planet, which created the Moon. At this point, there were no oceans and Earth's water existed as gas. However, around 3.8 billion years ago, the planet cooled enough for water to condense into liquid, forming the first oceans. This water world became the cradle of life, with the first microscopic organisms appearing around 3.7 billion years ago. It wasn't until nearly a billion years later that Earth began to change drastically. Land began to rise from the oceans, forming the first continents called Catan. As more land emerged, the first supercontinent, Valbera, formed, though it was smaller than Australia. Around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria evolved to perform photosynthesis, producing oxygen and significantly altering Earth's atmosphere. This increase in oxygen led to a cooler climate and the planet's first ice age. Meanwhile, Earth's continents continued to move and reassemble into the supercontinent Rodinia, which was possibly the largest supercontinent in Earth's history. Life on Earth also became more complex during this time. Eventually, Rodinia broke apart and a new supercontinent, Pangaea, formed. Between 540 and 485 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion occurred, leading to a rapid increase in life forms with hard parts like shells. Around 440 million years ago, Earth experienced its first mass extinction, caused by climate changes and shifts in ocean temperatures, which wiped out much of the life at the time. However, this extinction opened the door for new forms of life to evolve. From 420 to 350 million years ago, trees and the first land animals appeared. By 250 million years ago, Earth was dominated by the supercontinent Pangaea, but it was also the time of the most catastrophic mass extinction, the Great Dying, which wiped out around 90% of life on Earth. This event cleared the way for the rise of dinosaurs, which appeared around 240 to 230 million years ago. Dinosaurs would rule the planet for the next 150 million years, until 66 million years ago, when an asteroid impact caused their extinction and allowed mammals to take over. Humans first appeared around 6 million years ago, with early species like Sahelanthropus. By 4 million years ago, early humans began walking upright, and by 1 million years ago, they developed the first tools. Around 800,000 years ago, early humans learned to control fire, which played a key role in their development. Between 40,000 and 15,000 years ago, all human species other than Homo sapiens went extinct. About 10,000 years ago, humans transitioned from being nomadic to farming and settling in one place. The Industrial Revolution, which began around 250 years ago, brought profound changes in technology, society, and population growth. The world's population grew rapidly, reaching over 8 billion today. However, humanity now faces a new challenge: climate change. Rising temperatures, higher sea levels, and a loss of biodiversity are threatening life on Earth, and we may be headed toward another mass extinction if changes aren't made. But that, too, is a story for another time.